Jack. What would you like to buy today? We have apples on sale.
I want to buy an apple.
Do you want a pear with it? Yes, that makes 2 fruits.
Oh, I thought I was getting 3 fruits.
Hello, Jack. I understood that you don't know all numbers yet.
Some are easy for me, some are a little difficult. But I try to practice every day.
Come on, I'll show you. Number 1.
I like to count with you.
1 apple, 1 plum, 1 pear, 1 strawberry, 1 alligator, 1 bee, 1 chicken, 1 fine meal. Now I show you how to write the number 1. Make a slanted line up and then a long straight line down. That's 1. Now have fun practicing.
Thank you, Gigi Giraffe, for teaching me how to count. 1 chicken, 1 pirate.